The science and benefits of NAD. How to look 10 years younger. Are we embracing age correctly? Even if you've never heard of NAD+, your cells certainly have. That's because this critical coenzyme is essential to the cellular energy reactions happening in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cells. While NAD is a catch-all term, the compound we are most interested in is NAD+, which is reduced to NADH through metabolic pathways that convert glucose into ATP, which is biochemical energy. I'm Professor Wong, dedicated to popular science for 22 years. Follow me, I'll lead you onto the path of health and longevity. This process affects every organ in the body. Actually, over 500 enzymatic reactions in our body need NAD+. In every step of the way, NAD+ helps mend DNA damaged by toxins and radiation, maintain total body health, and regulate cellular activity through the proper functionality of sirtuins. These protein enzymes are the guardians of the genome that support DNA repair and are key to cellular activity like antioxidant defense, metabolic function, and more. NAD+ is essential for sirtuins, CD38, and poly-ADP ribose polymerase (PARP) function, maintaining life through metabolic functions, DNA repair, and cellular senescence, maintaining tissue and metabolic homeostasis, healthy aging, optimal cognitive, muscular, and skeletal health, fortified immune defenses, regulated sleep and circadian rhythms, consistent energy production. While NAD+ offers a range of internal benefits, the aesthetic benefits result in a noticeably younger appearance. On a cellular level, NAD+ supports the replenishment of new, healthy cells. If you're ready to boost NAD+ to work for your life, we introduce you our NMN5G supplement. It's a trusted treatment option for aging, disease prevention, optimal performance. Get in touch with us and see for yourself.